Dr. Noah's YouTube update on Protandim and go through the scientific literature. Protandim, this very exciting type of blend of 5 herbs that has, wonderful in terms of benefits of reducing oxidative stress using SOD, glutathione, catalase. And so these are really kind of fundamental type of, nutrients that are able to get to the cause of most diseases over 225. And so reviewing the scientific literature here, free radical and antioxidants, October 2011, that's this month, showing that SOD is able to help with irritable bowel syndrome. Because why? Because oxidative stress is a contributing factor in terms of IBS, and in this study here showed that by lowering oxidative stress, by increasing SOD, which Protandim does, increase SOD, we're able to help IBS. Oxidative stress, multiple nutrition needs for bones. This is an interesting review. Is we have a kind of a simplistic view in terms of osteoporosis of being pretty much just calcium and maybe some vitamin D. This nice review here in Nutrition Reviews, October 2011, says it goes beyond that. And one of the big factors, as with most diseases, and osteoporosis is one, and it's inflammation. And inflammation kind of erodes, think of it like a fire destroying things. Well, that not only destroys your bones, your brains, inflammation now is a key point in terms of chronic diseases. And so Protandim is able to not only reduce oxidative stress, it's able to have been shown and patented to reduce a marker, blood test for inflammation called C-reactive protein. We use what's called high sensitivity HS-CRP. That's been shown conclusively to reduce that, so Protandim's helped that. Searching for the mechanism is when people have certain type of blood type of infections, diseases like in their blood, that can cause acute renal failure. And in this study here in Critical Care, October 2011, showing is that that different types of oxidative stress and these inflammatory markers called interleukin-6, tumor necrosis factor alpha, oxidative stress, are all factors that play in this type of disease. And so this goes beyond just having an infection in the blood. Any infection causes oxidative stress that cascades down to causes inflammation, and that's how well you're going to either recover or not. And so that was just kind of an interesting story. Protandim is a NRF2 activator, big stuff. This comes actually from MarketWatch. Yeah, that's a financial publication because there's a biotech company that's really moving on. Now they're on phase 3 of their testing of using this dimethyl fumarate, which is able to, once again, cause different type of changes in multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis, a lot of their symptoms, a lot of their progressive type of disorder is due to oxidative stress. And so they state, which is kind of interesting, I'm going to try to maybe contact LifeVantage, says it's the only known source to be able to reduce oxidative stress or increase NRF2 activation, which is not true. Protandim has been shown that. So that shows you the consequences of having these type of communication to your genetic type of antioxidants to be able to help. So the drug companies are really going. And just that little notion that they were showing some positive, increase their stock prices by 10.33%. So big money into this, and here there's something for $40 that you can get right now. And the last one we've talked about that Protandim does is elevate P53, an anti-tumor compound. It's actually called the angel gene, and because what P53 does, it kind of surveys all your genes, and if a particular type of gene becomes aberrant or sick or becomes precancerous, it goes in and either fixes or destroys it. So if P53 becomes dysfunctional, that's cause for over, at least I've seen anywhere between 53% to higher percent of all cancers are due to P53. Another company has just applied for a new drug application on this particular type of compound, is to be able to work on P53. Well, Protandim works on P53. What was interesting, which was really kind of almost comical, this is the only compound that's non-genotoxic anti-cancer agent. So that's right, all the other chemotherapies are toxic to your genes. They cause cancer. So it's interesting that this little subtle comment here, it makes them so unique and so special and so exciting and so revolutionary and such a breakthrough is it's, once again, it's non-genotoxic anti-cancer agent. All the other ones are. So go figure that one out. So a little Protandim update, and we'll talk to you soon.